Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to change gradient colors in Adobe InDesign. So let's begin the video. At first, select the object you want to apply the gradient to. Next, open the gradient panel. If you don't see the gradient panel, you can open it by going to Window, then Color, and click on Gradient. In the gradient panel, you can choose between a linear or radial gradient. By clicking here, click on the gradient bar to apply the default gradient to your object. To change the gradient colors, open the color panel. Click on one of the color stops located at either end of the gradient slider. Now select a new color. Repeat this for the other color stop. You can also add more colors to your gradient. Simply click below the gradient slider to add a new color stop. Adjust the position of the color stops to fine-tune the gradient transition. You can click and drag the stops along the slider to achieve your desired effect. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.